So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to recolor your artwork or any kind of vector formatted assets that you have from an image or a color palette that you've created or that you've found that a client has given you that you want to get the same vibes of anything of the sort. So I'm going to start with my vector artwork that I have from the image that I have as well, and then a color palette that maybe I thought would fit this style of image, so, or the artwork that is. So what I'm going to do is grab this artwork. I'm going to come up here to the toolbar and hit Recolor Artwork. And then I'm going to go to Color Theme Picker, and you can see it's kind of in the way right now, but it's going to allow me to select one of these images, and it's going to recolor my artwork based off the images. So I can readjust this, and you'll see this will change however I want until I get to a spot that I want it to be in, and then I can go in, of course, and manually adjust these colors too. But this is just one way of doing it. I can reset this to go back to the original, and then I'm going to repick, and I'm going to select this little color palette image that I brought in, and then I'm just going to kind of manually adjust this until it's in a spot that I want. Okay, I like that. I'm going to get that to go away, and then I'm going to come through here and just select different parts of the artwork that I want to change to different colors. So if I wanted this to be white, I could change it to white, and I could go through and adjust the rest of the colors in the logo to do the same thing. So I hope this tip helps. This is one quick way to get all of your artwork to change colors super easily, super quick, and yeah, thanks for watching.